Welcome to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and here's your AI news for today, Monday, April 22nd, 2024. This week, the tech world has been abuzz with discussions around the Humane AI Pin, a new wearable AI gadget. Despite claims of cutting-edge technology, reviewers found that it essentially functions as a mid-range Android phone, equipped with a Snapdragon processor from 4 years ago and a custom version of Android 12. In an attempt to create a DIY AI wearable, a journalist experimented with different setups using phones like the Motorola Razr Plus and the Pixel 8 paired with wireless earbuds. While obstacles like limited functionality on foldable phones and challenges in using voice assistants persisted, the journalist found some success in utilizing ChatGPT for conversation mode and Gemini Assistant for hands-free kitchen assistance. Ultimately, the experiment highlighted the potential of integrating AI into everyday tasks through existing devices like smartphones and earbuds, emphasizing practicality and user experience over standalone AI gadgets like the Humane AI Pin. It seems Drake's views on AI-generated music have taken a turn over time. Initially, he was against AI imitating his voice, leading to takedowns of such unauthorized songs. However, more recently, Drake has incorporated AI technology into his music. He released a diss track featuring AI-generated verses imitating Tupac and Snoop Dogg, aiming to challenge his rival Kendrick Lamar. This shift indicates a change in Drake's perspective on AI and music, from resisting it to creatively using it to emulate other rappers in his work. Leave a comment on the YouTube episode and let us know what you think about Drake's sudden change of heart and use of AI. Apple is gearing up to revolutionize AI with its on-device large language model, boosting speed and privacy by running AI directly on the device. To bolster its capabilities, Apple is in talks with Google to integrate its Gemini AI technology into iPhones. Apple's innovative memory-efficient technique enables AI models double the iPhone's memory size to run much faster. Additionally, Apple is working on its generative AI model, Ajax, to rival GPT-3.4, set to unify machine learning at Apple. This AI push will prioritize practicality over hype, aiming to seamlessly integrate AI into users' daily lives across its ecosystem. Apple's strategic focus on on-device AI and privacy stands in contrast to Google's cloud-centric approach, promising major AI revelations at the upcoming WWDC in June. That's your AI briefing for today. Don't forget to subscribe or follow, and join me again tomorrow for more AI news.